Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO V50 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will reveal a bunch of toggles, and then on one of the pages you should have your power saving mode. For me it's right over here, battery saver, and we also have this one, super battery saver. This one will be for more extensive battery saving. It's most likely not something that you're interested in. Majority of the people looking for battery saver will be looking for the first one right here. That gives a quick message what it does, so there, click on turn on, and there we go, your power saving mode is now enabled. Once you're done needing it, you can just find the toggle once again and tap on it once more to turn it off. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.